to school things. Last year, like for P5, when I was like so excited, and then he'll be like, buy early, buy early. And I was like, we can do anything whatever we want after that. Here I go. Here I go.
I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm doing something. You know, seriously, they're just watching us eat.
Oh yeah, there's this thing, it's called mukbang. So it's like you're eating in front of the camera. So this is mukbang lah.
What's that?
You eat in front of the camera. Go search. Are you gonna let me eat now? Is people who eat late at night, but we are eating like around 6 plus. Not in the morning, but in the evening. Move your fork.
Why is it so good?
Because it's chicken, and I love chicken.
I love chicken. Chicken is me.
Do comment like what else you want us to do. I mean, like who you want me to do a video with.
Me.
There's a lot. They should recommend also what. My rice totally went in because of you. Give me back, I want to drink.
This is a huge thing. Chicken. I think my house has gas ready.
Huh?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Just now, my mother was cooking there in the middle of her cooking. The gas ran out.
Wow. Imagine. Then what happened?
Then she didn't call for some reason. Then now she called.
Darn. Then what do you eat?
In the morning before the gas ran out, we ate we ate Maggi goreng. Maggi goreng.
You buy?
No, before the gas ran out.
Oh yeah. Okay. And also, do comment what food you want us to eat also. So maybe song covers. Because we love to sing. Move! And I don't care. Just comment whatever you want about us sharing saliva. That's what you get. Take your fork and spoon away. Okay, if you watch part 1, wait we showed you how it looks like. But now I want you to see how it looks.
No, wait.
How to eat lah? Kunyang you. So my cousin, if you watch the previous video, is a boy, okay? He calls this orange rice, not nasi biryani.
I have the last bite.
Let me finish it off. And this is what she like to do.
I think they saw it in the video, that's all.
Oh my god, lemon tea tastes so good. Damn you.
So thanks for watching this video.
Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
And stay tuned for a lot more videos from her channel. Right here on Rayhana Aziz 19.
In the meantime, stay awesome, possum.
Forever with Daniel Ron.
Ciao.